YouTube offers various privacy settings for videos, including public, private, and unlisted. Unlisted videos are not visible to the public and can only be accessed by people who have direct link to the video. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of uploading videos on YouTube as unlisted and setting a video that you've already uploaded as unlisted on YouTube. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So let's get started. Now, the first step you have to take now is to go over to your YouTube. Let me show you how you can be able to upload a video as unlisted on YouTube. So let me tap on my YouTube app to open it right away. You can see, guys, my YouTube app is opening. Right there, guys, can see I've opened up my YouTube app. Now the next step you have to take now is to make sure you're logged in into your YouTube account. Make sure the Google account you're logged in is the right one for your YouTube account. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on the plus icon. You can see it down there, that's the upload icon. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next now is to scroll through that slider. You have to scroll through the slider to the right. Then you tap on video. You can see video has been selected. Make sure you tap on video. Then now the next step you have to take now is to select the video that you want to upload as unlisted. Okay, so let me tap on the first one at the top. Let me tap on it to select it. You can see, guys, I've selected the video. So what I have to do next now is to tap on next at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Right here now, you can go ahead now to upload this video and it will be uploaded into your YouTube channel. But before I do that, let me show you how you can be able to upload this video as unlisted. You can see where it is written visibility. Under the visibility is written private. So you have to tap on it. So let me tap on the privacy icon. You can see right there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Right here, guys, you can see what's written at the top. It says set visibility, and as you can see there, it has three options. The first one is public, the second one is unlisted, while the third one is private. So you have to tap on the second option, which is unlisted, and it says under it anyone with the link can view. So let me tap on the second option, unlisted. You can see, guys, I've selected unlisted. So what I have to do now is to go back. Right there, guys, now you can see unlisted has been selected under visibility. What used to be there was private, but now you can now see unlisted. So what I can do now is to go ahead now to upload it. But before you upload, you can go ahead to add your title if you want. You can add your description as well. So let me tap on upload. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Right there, guys, now you can see the video I've started uploading. So it says remaining about 5 minutes. So guys, now this is how you can simply upload your video as unlisted. So what I'm going to do now is to wait for this video to be fully uploaded. Once it's fully uploaded, once it gets to 100%, then the video will be uploaded as unlisted. So guys, by doing this now, you'll be able to, if you follow this process, you'll be able to upload your video as unlisted. Now let me show you how you can be able to set any video that you've already uploaded on your channel as unlisted. So if your video is already on public or maybe on private, I'm going to show you now how you can be able to set it as unlisted. So what you have to do right away is to go over to your studio app. You have to go over to your YouTube studio. So let me use the YouTube studio app. So let me tap on my YouTube studio app real quick. So guys, now you can see I've opened up the YouTube studio app. So let me tap on content so I can see the video I've already uploaded on my channel. Let me tap on content. Then I will tap on where you can see view all at the top. So let me tap on view all. So guys, now this is where you're going to find all the videos that you've uploaded on your channel. You can see at the top that video I just showed you guys. Now you can see it right there. It has been uploaded 3 minutes ago, and as you can see, it has been uploaded as unlisted. Let me tap on it so you see it. This is the video I just showed you guys how to upload. Now you can see it's uploaded as unlisted. You can see, guys. So what I want to do, let me go back now. What I want to do now is to show you guys how you can change a video that is already public or private to unlisted. So you can, let me tap on this video right here. Let me tap on it. You can see right here this video is on public. So let me show you guys how you can switch it to unlisted. So what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see the pen icon, the edit icon. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it at the top. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see visibility. You can see it right there. So let me tap on visibility. You can see that under the visibility, public is written there. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now in order to change this video to unlisted is to tap on the third option, which is unlisted. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to go back. Right there, guys, can see now the visibility is now unlisted. What used to be there was private, so it's no longer private, it's now unlisted. So what you have to do now in order to save these changes is to tap on where you can see save at the top. So let me tap on save. You can see, guys, it's loading. Wow, guys, you can see edit saved, and now you can see the visibility is now unlisted. So guys, now I've been able now to show you how you can upload a YouTube video as unlisted and how you can set a YouTube video that you've already uploaded as unlisted. And I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.